Hi friends, welcome to DoodleDoo Kids. Are you ready to have fun drawing and coloring with us? Let's grab your crayons and let the fun begin.
Twisty swirls, hearts and stars and candy pearls. Everything's a masterpiece. With DoodleDoo we never cease. Draw it out loud, big and proud. Color the sky and paint the cloud. Doodle here and doodle there. Let's fill the world with doodle flair. Draw it out loud. Draw it out loud.
Great job, little artists! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun with DoodleDoo Kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.